In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Bose Connect app not working. So if your app is not working, I have in here this article that can help us. So if the app does not detect the product that you're trying to connect it with, you need to first check that you're using the Bose Connect app. You need to actually download it on a particular resource available. You can find it by going over to this case and downloading it from your Play Store or App Store. Next, you can try connecting your Bose product once without using the Bose Connect app. So if you cannot find the product, first try connecting the product to the smartphone using Bluetooth menu instead of the app itself. Once it's connected, try the app again, and for this case, you should be able to connect it again. If it's still not working, you can uninstall and reinstall the Bose application and make sure to allow the permissions requested in the Bose Connect app such as YouTube and local networks. After that, you can reboot the Bluetooth device and reset your headphones if it's still not working. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.